I hear a noise that I'm very curious about, so I'm gonna go and investigate it. Don't know where it's coming from. Can you hear it? Tap, tap, tapping. Don't know what it is. Let's go see. What the fuck is that noise? Almost sounds like someone on an old typewriter. Can you hear it? Oh well, that sucks. I can't see. Anyway. Yeah. These are our gardens. Shitty. Shitty. And this is the building I live in. I'm not going to give you the address, obviously. Duh. Oh. Where'd he go? Fuck, I can't find him. I still hear it. See if we can see from over here. What the fuck is it? It's really weird. Never heard it before. Anyway, going back to where I was sitting. Maybe I shouldn't hold this so close to my face. You wouldn't hear me breathing so much. It sounds like fucking Darth Vader with asthma. Fuck, no, I don't hear the noise now. What the hell? Now I do hear the noise. Let's go over here. Oh well. Yeah, I don't know. See? This is where I reside. Nice big squared fucking ugly building. Hey, maybe later I'll show you the big ass cross that's on the front of it. That's a joy. Anyway, it's a beautiful day today. Fucking noise. I'm probably gonna go out somewhere and do something. Just don't know what yet. Just don't know what. Hey, I was thinking about starting something up on here. Maybe you guys can give me some input. I was thinking about starting a sort of treasure hunt kind of deal. Like, I'll pick one thing a day from the comments or whatever. If you guys want to play along. I mean, if you don't want to play along, just like let me know so I won't go through the trouble of starting it. But I'll pick one thing a day and try and find it. But you have to understand, I don't live in an area where there's an ocean, or I don't live in an area where there's, we have beaches, but the beach around here is too far for me to walk. It's got to be something I can find quite easily. Or maybe not. No, fuck, what am I saying? That's not much of a treasure hunt. But yeah, so, and then I can, go and find it and videotape my little adventures. Videotape. Who the fuck says that anymore? Nobody videotapes anymore. We all record. It's digital or whatever. It's not on VHS. I don't know why we still say that. That really bugs the fuck out of me. And here I am saying it. Oh well. Anyhow, I don't have much else to say. Except that fucking noise is really bugging me. Eh. Anyway, I can't go and find it because it's in a neighbor's yard. But so, okay. I don't know. Hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you guys are having a good day like I am. And, I don't know. See you in the next video.